Alright everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be working on prime factorization. So let's get started. We are going to have two rows. We're going to work with this number 12 at the top and we're going to have our answer at the bottom. Our goal is to keep dividing 12 until it reaches 1 by using always the lowest number to divide it by, besides 1 of course. So let's get started. What is the lowest number that goes into 12 besides 1? If you said 2, that's correct. We're going to divide 12 by 2, and we're going to write 2 times at the bottom. That is our first part of our answer. So what is 12 divided by 2? It's 6. So let's write a 6. And now we ask ourselves, what is the lowest number that goes into 6 besides 1? It's 2 again. So we divide 6 by 2. We write 2 with the multiplication sign next to it. And what is 6 divided by 2 now? It's going to give us 3. So what is the lowest number that goes into 3? Well, besides 1, it's 3 itself. 3 is the only number that can go into 3 besides 1. So we're going to divide 3 by 3. We are going to get 1. That's how we know we are done the question. And we're going to write a 3 in our answer. So when we started at 12, we kept dividing by the lowest number we can as the number decreased. And we expressed it in our answer here. So 2, 2, 3, right? 2 times 2 times 3. And we've arrived at 1. When you arrive at 1, that's when you know the answer is the correct one. So we can also express this as 2 to the power of 2 times 3. All right, let's go on to another example. So the next number we're working with here is going to be 15. So what is the lowest number that goes into 15? Besides 1. If you said 3, that is correct. Let's start the question off by dividing 15 by 3. That would give us 5. And we are going to write in our answer 3 with a multiplication sign next to it. Now, moving on. We decrease the number. What is the lowest number that goes into 5 besides 1? It's actually going to be 5. 5 itself. There's no other number. So we divide 5 by 5. We arrive at 1, and we're going to write a 5 because we divided by 5. So that's the next part of our answer. And that would be our final answer right here, 3 times 5. And that's it. That is the final answer to this question. Let's go to another one. Okay, so for this one, we're working with a bigger number. We got 45 here. So what is the lowest number that goes into 45? This is going to test your multiplication skills. Well, if you said 3, that's correct. The lowest number that goes into 45 is 3. So we're going to divide 45 by 3. Now, what is 45 divided by 3? It's going to give us 15. So let's write the 15 here. And since we divided by 3, we're going to put a 3 in our answer row right here. Okay. Now, what is the lowest number that goes into 15? Well, guess what? Is going to be actually 3 again. All right, so we're going to divide 15 by 3. That's going to give us a 5. And we're going to write a 3 again right here. Now, what is the lowest number that goes into 5? Again, it's 5. So let's divide 5 by 5. That's going to give us 1. Our question is finished. We got to 1 by dividing by the lowest number consistently. 3, 3, 5. So we got to write 3 times 5. And you can also express it as, with exponents, 3 to the power of 2 times 5. All right, there we go. Let's do one more example. Okay, so for this one, it's a little bit more challenging. We got a big number here we're going to work with. So let's work on this. What is the lowest number that goes into 56? I'm going to give you a hint. It's an even number, right? Even numbers automatically can be divided by 2. So we're going to divide 56 by 2 to start the question. Now, what is 56 divided by 2? If you said 28, that's correct. Good job. So we're going to write a 28 here. And we're going to write, since we divided by 2, in our answer row, we're going to write 2 times. Okay, what is the lowest number that goes into 28? Is 28 an even number? Yep. So we can say 2 again. So 2 goes into 28. So what is 28 divided by 2? Okay, if you said 14, that's correct. Good job. 14, we divided by 2. We're going to add another 2 to our answer column. Now, 14, is it an even number? Yes, it is again. So we're going to divide it by 2 again. And we are going to arrive at 7. Now, since we divided by 2 again, we have to add one more 2 to our answer row. Now, what is the lowest number that goes into 7 besides 1? Well, that's going to be 7 itself. So we're going to divide 7 by 7, and that's going to arrive at 1. And that is going to be the final answer. We're going to add the 7 right there, times 7. And that's it. And that's it. We are finished the question. 2 times 2 times 7. And that's it. So, if you liked the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel, as I will be uploading more learning content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. All the best.